Here we have a QSC 1200 Series 1 amplifier which has been recapped and had the 3K resistors changed. You can see them here in bluish gray color down there. This amplifier was bought off of eBay, and it had a problem with the bias diodes down here. One of them was like about a volt of drop across it, so I ended up replacing all four of the bias diodes down here, there in the lower right hand corner, and changed out the 3K resistors with 3-watt versions, and also changed out all the electrolytic capacitors except for the main speaker coupling capacitors. But other than that, it works great, and I'm going to use it here in my lab as an amplifier for music and such.